As the course concludes, I acknowledge that you might have some lingering questions that I haven't addressed explicitly. Maybe you want help to understand the influence of the incoming train and the new airport coming, or to manage your Airbnb properties, selecting the right furniture, and conceptualizing unique decor for your space. At the onset of this course, my goal was to make the information as evergreen as possible. By evergreen, I mean that the content would remain relevant for a significantly long period, despite minor changes that are bound to occur. While it is inevitable that prices will increase over time, the foundational principles and the overall trajectory of the market will not falter. The Riviera Maya, just like any other growing market, will continue to expand over an extended period. The role of infrastructure in this growth story cannot be understated. Any form of infrastructural expansion, especially when supported by government, signals a steady growth trajectory for the region. The arrival of the train and the airport, for instance, is bound to spur economic growth, not only in the Riviera Maya, but also in the Yucatan and Chiapas, which is another state here in Mexico. While I did not delve deep into these projects, it's sufficient for you to know that they are in the pipeline. The railway tracks are being laid as I speak, and the train cars were delivered to Cancun just a few weeks ago. Now, let's consider the new airport, which is slated for completion in 2024. I must admit that I do not anticipate major logistical changes ensuing from this development, but my personal assessment is based on the notion that the airport, despite having around 24 terminals, will primarily serve direct flights from large cities like New York, Dallas, and Los Angeles. At the time, I don't really know the routes, but I can make these educated guesses. I think it would probably come from big cities, one-ways or round trips, direct. Given its location approximately 45 minutes from Tulum proper, travelers would need to commute via train or bus or take a taxi or rent a car. In comparison, direct flights from the USA, Canada, Europe, and South America to Cancun, followed by a train ride, renting a car, or a bus journey of an hour and a half to Tulum, might not seem much different. So it's either you have a direct flight to Cancun or a layover to reach the Tulum airport, and the travel time will probably be around the same time for a traveler. However, the new airport will help alleviate wait times in customs and reduce the bottleneck at the Cancun airport, which that'll be nice. On an investor's note, this development underlines the government's commitment to this region's growth. As far as the impacts on property prices are concerned, you can rest assured that these infrastructural developments will exert upward pressure on real estate prices for the region. For more information on these projects, I just suggest following their progress online. There's a ton of information on Google. Now, moving on to Airbnb management. We have hands-on experience managing properties that consistently perform well due to their irresistible first impressions, stunning photos, tasteful decor, and desirable locations. Once you secure an attractive property and put the knowledge acquired from this course into action, running an Airbnb will be a walk in the park for our team as well as you. As we discuss furnishings and decorations, I want to bring your attention to the process's fun aspect. I collaborate with my partners who manufacture the furniture. Our goal is to deliver a quality product within the stipulated budget that also helps differentiate your unit from others in the market or even the same building. We custom build furniture incorporating ingenious design solutions such as beds and slide-out options to accommodate more guests comfortably. This results in a higher ROI because there's more guests. Our furniture is made from indigenous wood types, such as salam and parota, which is accustomed to this area. It's resilient to local weather and climatic conditions. This guarantees long-lasting furniture that can withstand external elements without warping. When it comes to pricing, a 2-bedroom unit furnished with quality products could cost anywhere between $12,000 and $16,000. While a 3-bedroom unit might cost upwards of $20,000. I think I paid around $23,000 for a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom penthouse. This includes essential furniture pieces like mattresses, beds, lamps, stools, kitchen tables, and the like. For additional requirements such as kitchen utensils, sheets, pillows, and more, Sam's Club and Costco and Amazon are available here for your convenience, which makes it super easy. Remember, the process of creating a uniquely appealing space for potential renters is a thrilling journey. You get to partake in the process, drawing inspirations from platforms like Pinterest and work with my experienced team of designers and furniture fabricators. Nonetheless, as we draw this course to a close, I want to reiterate that I'm here to support you. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns or requests for clarification. I'm excited to assist you on your journey in becoming a successful real estate investor here in Mexico. But before we conclude, stay tuned for the next video where I'll share a special message just for you.